Hey, what's up guys, CKid here, welcome back. Now, you guys are probably coming from the previous video where I just showed you guys how to connect this to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, I'll go ahead and link it up here on the card as well as down in the description below. But in this video, I want to show you guys real quick how to connect the Samsung Galaxy Buds to an iOS device. Now, the device I have here in front of me is the iPhone XS Max, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect the Galaxy Buds to the iPhone XS Max and show you guys that it is possible. So with that being said, the very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to settings. You're going to want to go to Bluetooth and make sure your Bluetooth is on. And then the first thing you're going to do is just open up the Galaxy Buds pod. And then just like that, you're going to see Galaxy Buds and then the model that is going to show down here within your other devices section. So all you do is just go ahead and click on that, and it's going to pop up here within your My Devices section, and it's going to show that your Galaxy Buds are now connected. And just like that, you are connected and paired to your iPhone XS as well as iPhone 10, iPhone 8, 7, 6, any one of these it will work for using standard Bluetooth technology. Well guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. I want to showcase that to you guys real quick and just show you that you can connect the Samsung Galaxy Buds to an iOS device. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, as well as go ahead and comment down below if you guys have any other questions that you guys would want to know more about in regards to the Samsung Galaxy Buds, as I'm going to be pumping out more videos to talk about the Galaxy Buds, as well as giving you guys my full review after I continue to use them for a little while here. So thanks again for watching guys. Click on the next video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.